Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906@gmail.com. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called a common stumbling block to wealth. This topic which I covered in the last video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic called, and the name of this topic is rubbing out a great mental block to wealth. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, this is 101 number video and the name of the topic is rubbing out a great mental block to wealth. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. If you are worried and critical about someone whom you claim is making money dishonestly. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, if we are worried and critical about some person who we think is making money dishonestly, keep worrying about him. So author Joseph Murphy is telling, just keep worrying about that person, friends. Okay. So author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, you know, such a person is using the law of mind negatively. So this kind of person are always using the law of mind negatively. So as earlier I said, friends, the law of mind, the law of the subconscious mind, which can be used positively or even which can be used negatively. And it is very important for us, friends, that we always use the law of the mind positively. And it is very dangerous and it is not correct using the law of the mind negatively, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the law of mind make care of him. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the law of the mind which is going to make care of him, of that person, friends. Okay. So who is using the law of mind negatively. Be careful not to criticize him for the reason previously indicated. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always be careful that we should not use to criticize that person by the previously indicated, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, remember. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we need to remember something. So let us see what he is telling us to remember. The block or obstacle to wealth is your own mind. This is a very big statement, friends. Okay. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic that the block or the obstacle to the wealth is our own mind, friends. Okay. So our own mind is only one the reason which is reason for our own block or the obstacle for the wealth, friends. Okay. You can now destroy that mental block. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is a process that we can easily destroy this mental block. So let us see how we can. This you may do by getting on mental good terms with everyone. So this is a very big important statement and very big statement, friends. Okay. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that this we can do by getting on mental good terms with everyone, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called rubbing out a great mental block to wealth. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called sleep and grow rich. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, this topic came to an end. And friends, as I always say, I recommend this book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, to read to everybody, because this book is going to give you a 360-degree dimension so that you can see your life in a new way, friends. Okay. So, friends, this brings to the end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next. Till then, goodbye. Take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, friends. Okay. And I will be meeting you in the next video.